What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. We on the road to 1,000, about 50, 60 away, bro. So y'all tap in, help me get there. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, man. Give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, let's jump right into these joints, man. We got this regular old red Nike Dunk box. But the shoe inside is pretty heat to me. I can't even lie to you, bro. The tag on this joint reads, Women's Nike Dunk Low SE Sand Drift and Hemp Sail. Well, I saw a couple of early pairs a little earlier this year, maybe even dating back to last year when they started dropping rumors of the Mocha Dunk Low. They were dropping rumors of this one as well, man. So hopefully we get that Mocha Dunk Low later. We got this one right now, man. They dropped on sneakers the other day. May have dropped at your local boutique so far, or they may be dropping soon. Definitely be on the lookout for that, bro. But let's just get into these joints real quick, bro, real quick. Now here we have what they're calling the Nike Dunk Low in the Sand Drift colorway. I like these joints. Start off the bat, man, just coming out the box, they look really clean. I don't know about a couple of wears, the materials look really sensitive, but let's hop into it, man. Getting around this toe cap and mud guard area, bro, it has like a low rough nubuck. On the toe box, it has like a soft, low nubuck, man. Really soft. Super sensitive there. Definitely got to be careful around that toe box. Going around the back panels and the side, it's that same low, that rough nubuck right here around the eye stays and the lace holes as well. Same thing around the back panel. Getting into that back tab, it does have the Nike on the back, but it's embossed in this time, man. It's not stitched in. It's not pressed on. It's something that I haven't seen yet. I don't think I've seen. Can I think about it? Yeah, I don't think I've seen this joint yet with the Nike being embossed with the puff on it. It comes with a nice set of light tan laces. And with that tongue tag, man, it's like a vachetta tan style, like cut and sew tongue tag. Real thick, but it's embossed just like it is on the back. Getting a good look at this insole, man. That's a light tan, light brown insole with the Nike pressed on in white, bro. That's a nice look as well. I like this shoe, bro. Definitely solid. Some pretty decent materials, man. Not that cheap dunk leather that we usually get every time, but definitely some lightly sensitive materials around this toe box and on these side panels for sure. But definitely extremely wearable with the colors, man. Super neutral. And Nike, Adidas, New Balance, everybody has been going crazy with these neutral colors lately. And this one is gonna do it for Nike, bro. This one is gonna do it for them. Now getting into the left shoe, man, just the same as the right one, man. It has that rough nubuck on the outside layers, that soft nubuck on the inside and on that mid panel. And on the back part, it has the rough and light soft layers as well, man. Pretty decent. Nothing too crazy as far as material, but definitely nicer than the leather that they usually use. Has a pure white midsole. Has that light tan outsole, bro. These are a really good look to me, bro. One of my other favorite parts of the shoe is the white contrast stitching going against that rough nubuck and going against that swoosh, man. I like the white contrast stitching. It looks really good. It helps bring out the white in the midsole, and it helps bring out the light tan on the bottom of the shoe, bro. This is a really solid pair. Now, as far as pricing on these joints, man, retail was 110 bucks. Looking at about 120 bucks on Sneakers app out the door with taxes in Texas at least. Resale on these joints are like around 160 on average. The bigger size is closer to 200. The 12 women, 11 and a half women, those are closer to 200. But overall, like around 160 bucks. If you're gonna grab them, I say go ahead and grab them now. You never know with a neutral shoe like this, man. Resale prices can easily shoot through the roof. And you could be paying $250 for these in the next month and a half if you just let them slip away, man. You just never know. So I'd rather go ahead and pay $150 than to wait around and take that chance. That's if you really want these joints. Now, a couple of more boutiques and stores may grab them. But with dunks, man, you know they go quick, man. The people that are always in the malls are gonna be able to grab them. People are gonna text their friends to come and grab pairs and things like that, bro. So you gotta be quick with these. If you hear about a store that got them, just get there quick. That'll be your best chance at retail. Maybe a couple of like boutique raffles or something like that. You may have a chance at retail, but if you want them, I just say grab them for that $150 range, man. Nothing too crazy. You be paying $120 retail, $150 is smooth for the just for the convenience of being able to go ahead and just pick it up, come back home, not have to worry about it. So I'm not really mad at it with these joints, man. If they came in my size, I definitely would wear them, bro, but they don't. So with me, these are a different story, man. If I get these, they're gone, man. It is what it is. Now, as far as quality control on these joints, man, nothing crazy, no crazy flaws on these joints at all. On the tongue, I do have like an extra straight stitching right there on that tongue tag. And another thing I noticed was on the end of the toe box on both of these, they do have like small wrinkles or small dents and stuff like that. Not sure what caused that or why the Dunks do that sometime on the suede pairs, but other than that, man, nothing really crazy, bro. Definitely some solid pairs, solid material, really good colorway. But I like these joints, man. If they had my size, I definitely would cop them any day of the week, twice on a Sunday, bro. I like these joints a lot, but they don't come in my size, man. So we're on to the next one. Now, like I mentioned earlier, man, they do have like a dark mocha pair coming out. Hope those joints drop in men's. I really like those a lot, man. I've been seeing like mock-ups of those with like the pure white midsole, and I've been seeing them with the aged vintage look as well. I don't mind either way with those, man. As long as they come in men's sizes, I'll be happy. Those will probably be the cleanest Dunks, probably of 2023 as far as regular Dunks. You know, you might get a couple of collabs here and there. I like a couple of those Year of the Rabbit pairs, but as far as regular Dunks, man, if they drop those in men's sizes, vintage or regular, bro, those will be one of the best Dunks of the year for sure. Now, just touching up on the shoe one last time, man, it has that rough, low nubuck here, soft, sensitive nubuck right here on the toe. Same rough nubuck right here on the swoosh and on the back panel. I love that embossed Nike part on the back. And probably my favorite action of the shoe is the white contrast stitching, man. It really just makes that midsole and that light outsole pop on this shoe, man. I really like it, bro. I like it a lot. These joints are a really clean pair, man. I was excited since I saw them last year when they were releasing like the mock-ups of these and the dark mochas, bro. But these drop first. Happy to have them. Mad they're not in my size, but it is what it is on these, man. But overall, man, just about wraps it up for this video, man. We got the women's Nike Dunk Low in the Sand Drift colorway. Just let me know how you guys are feeling about these. Leave a comment down below. Do you like them? Did you cop them? Did you hit on sneakers, or are you waiting for your local boutiques, man? Just leave me a comment down below. Until next time, on the next video, we got the women's Nike Dunk Low Sand Drift, man. Peace.